Every year, millions of tires reach the end of their road. Worn, discarded, and seemingly useless. In the United States alone, over 250 million end-of-life tires are generated annually. Globally, the number exceeds 1 billion. These tires don't simply disappear. Left in landfills or illegal dumps, they become environmental hazards, breeding grounds for mosquitoes, sources of toxic fires, and long-term pollutants that leach chemicals into soil and water. But what if we could give these tires a second life? Welcome to the world of tire recycling, a remarkable process that transforms waste into valuable recycled rubber products, driving sustainability, innovation, and a cleaner planet. The journey begins at collection centers and tire retailers. Once tires are no longer safe for vehicles, they enter specialized recycling facilities. The first step is inspection and sorting. Usable tires may be retreaded for commercial vehicles, extending their life and saving resources.
It compresses hundreds
For the
of scrap
rest,
tires
the real
into dense,
transformation
manageable
starts.
bundles.
Modern recycling begins with shredding. Powerful machines cut tires into smaller pieces, separating the rubber from steel belts and textile fibers. These steel wires are recovered and recycled into new steel products, conserving energy. Recycling steel requires about 75% less energy than producing it from virgin ore. Next comes granulation. The rubber is further processed into crumb rubber,
Beneath the rubber,
uniform granules ranging
steel
from coarse
belts
chips
provide
down to
structural
fine
integrity.
powders.
Powerful shredders
Often
expose
less
and
than 1
separate these
millimeter in
metals for
size.
reclamation.
Advanced techniques like cryogenic grinding, which freezes the rubber for easier fracturing, produce high-quality material without excessive heat that could degrade its properties. This crumb rubber is incredibly versatile. It's cleaned, screened, and ready for rebirth into dozens of everyday products that improve our lives while protecting the environment. Look around, and you'll see recycled rubber everywhere. In playgrounds and recreational surfaces, crumb rubber provides soft, shock-absorbing safety matting that reduces injuries. Athletic tracks and sports fields use it for resilient, high-performance surfaces that last longer and offer better traction. On our roads, rubber-modified asphalt mixes crumb rubber into pavement. This creates quieter, more durable roads with better grip, longer lifespan, and reduced maintenance
Systems running
costs.
at 100%.
It also lowers the volume of
Let's
new
keep it that
asphalt
way.
needed, cutting energy use and
Advanced
emissions.
air
Landscaping
classification
benefits
effectively
too.
separates materials.
Rubber mulch from recycled
guaranteeing
tires
over
lasts longer than
99%
traditional
purity.
wood mulch, doesn't attract pests, retains moisture, and prevents weeds, all without the environmental cost of harvesting trees. Industrial and commercial
Experience the
applications
future
are
of
vast.
recycling.
Floor mats
AI
for
cameras
gyms and
inspect
stables,
every
dock
granule,
bumpers,
delivering
railroad crossing
pure rubber,
pads, vibration
redefined.
dampening materials for construction, and even lightweight fill for civil engineering projects like retaining walls and road embankments. Tire-derived aggregate, TDA, improves drainage and reduces weight in infrastructure. Consumer goods include everything from shoe soles and automotive
Let's
parts to
collect the
molded
sample from
products
batch
like
4.
speed bumps, tiles, and even
Securing
creative
the
items
sample
such
for
as
lab
rubberized
analysis.
planters or patio decking. The environmental benefits are profound. Recycling diverts millions of tires from
Particle size
landfills
distribution
in
looks
the U.S.
consistent. No significant
Programs have
contaminants.
kept over 4 billion tires out of disposal sites since the 1990s. In 2023 alone, around 283 million tires, or 1.4 million tons of waste, were prevented from landfilling. Processing recycled rubber uses 70 to 85% less energy than virgin rubber production, slashing carbon emissions by roughly 2.3 tons of CO2 equivalent per ton of material. It conserves natural resources, reduces the need for new rubber plantations that impact biodiversity, and recovers valuable steel and other components. Beyond the environment, tire recycling creates jobs in collection, processing, manufacturing, and innovation. It supports a circular economy where yesterday's waste becomes tomorrow's solutions.
Inside
Challenges
this modern
remain.
facility, recycled
Not
tire
all
rubber
tires
is
are
added to
recycled
hot,
perfectly,
viscous
and
asphalt.
markets must
This
continue to
creates a
grow,
durable
especially
road
with the
surface.
rise of electric vehicles potentially increasing tire wear in some cases. But innovation in devulcanization and advanced pyrolysis promises even better recovery rates and higher value applications in the future. Each of us can play
Exerts
a part.
immense presses hundreds of scrap
Proper tire
tires into
disposal,
dense, manageable
supporting
bundles.
products made with
A power-
recycled content, and advocating for expanded recycling programs make a real difference. So the next time you see an old tire, remember, it's not the end of the road. It's the beginning of something new, safer playgrounds, smoother highways, greener spaces, and a more sustainable world built from recycled rubber products. Join the revolution. Recycle. Reuse. Reimagine. Because every tire recycled is a step toward a cleaner, stronger future.